This is my way of making poi. I bought these taros from the farmer's market. I think it's a dry land taro, I'm not sure. But anyway, I tried to use a food processor, and it's a strain on the food processor. So I'm going to show you by using the corn grinder as my way of making poi. It's not the original way or the old-fashioned way or the regular Hawaiian traditional way. It's just something tools that I have, and it works for me. First, I got the taros. As you can see, I cut it, take off the ends, then I'll clean it. I'm going to boil a taro with the skin on. Actually, I'm going to put it in a slow cooker, leave it overnight until it's done. Then I'll take off the skin. It seems to work better this way than cut it in small pieces, boil it, and put it in a food processor. For some reason, it loses its taste when you chop it up in small pieces. Just leave the taro in a whole piece. This here is a grill cleaner. It's good enough just to get the dirt off. The total amount I paid for these dry land taros is $10. Depends on when you go. It's about $1 a pound. And some other days it might be a little bit more. But for what you can make, the amount you paid for, it's a lot of savings. And I'll just set this in about maybe 6 to 8 hours. You get a fork, poke it through this, and it feels tender, then it's ready. If not, you just let it go on slow cooking. The good part about a slow cooker is you don't have to stay there and watch it like a regular stove. On a regular stove, you have to be there all the time. This is my slow cooker, and I'll just put it on low. And just wait 6 to 8 hours, and I'll check it, see what happens. The reason I'm using water is just to wash the skin off. Flip it around. Yep. Put this in the poi grinder, in the corn grinder. And just stick to push it down. Just don't get your fingers caught in there. The reason I'm wetting the stick is so the taro and or the poi won't stick to the stick. Just go down much easier to push. Have this on the side. That is the poi.